Sabi ko na, ang gulo. No, ang gulo talaga. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose nung scene, yun yung inintended direct, na yung kaguluhan, yung inner turmoil na lumabas siya, and then, ganun talaga siya lumabas. Tapos yung biglang tahimik, kasi syempre may grand announcement na naman po si Paz, na in-announce niya na yun na nga, siya ay may cancer. Pero, wow, ang galing lang, the batuhan. Kasi it's the first time that I've seen this. So, ang galing, yun lang. Ang galing.
Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. I was so surprised with the lines, kung paano yung tinginan, yung batuhan, even the smallest reactions from every character, ang ganda. Miss Agot, what were your reactions to this?
Ang sarap magmura.
Please do so. Feel free to do so.
Hindi, parang wala lang. Ngayon lang namin nga nakita. So parang kailangan ng debriefing. But yeah, everyone was so on. On lahat ng characters. And yeah, it's fun to watch.
And can we just say, the way you played your role, nakakainis, nakakapikon, pero at the same time, you kind of understand where he's coming from. So, grabe, ang ganda ng dimensyon ng karakter mo na yon.
Sinema ko lang yung sigaw-sigaw, pero meron na akong pasabog. Sabi nga ni Joe, meron akong pasabog sa gilid. Gusto ko lang ng silence para maganda yung ending ng pasabog.
And the start of it was, yung tinanggal mo yung nag-video. Wala mo nang pag-video. Tigil na kasiyahan, I have an announcement. I love that. Ikaw naman, of course, Derek, what are your thoughts about this? Paano mo tinahi yung ganong kagandang storya? And ano yung pinakamahirap i-shoot sa parte ng pelikula na ito?
Ito.
Yeah. Ito.
This took 2 nights to shoot and it was, kasi punong-puno siya ng kailangan mong raw at saka wala kaming setup na cinematic. Wala, kailangan talagang ando na camera, panoorin mo si Jody, panoorin mo si Agot, panoorin mo si Agot. And then, kailangan raw, hindi siya pwedeng naka-cinematic setup. It served its what we intended.
It's very raw.
Magulo talaga siya.
Yeah, it's very raw. It's the reality of Filipino families. Nag-agree ba kayo? Naranasan niyo na ba yung kapag may big celebrations, hindi pwedeng walang big drama from a certain family member? Can you relate to that? Yung mga hindi makakarinig
At
sa...
lakas-lakas ng karaoke.
Oo, parang hindi na kami nagkakarinigan dito. Pero gusto mga hindi nakaka-relate, sana all healthy ang family.